tap each application in turn. I'll just open that one as well, photos, but you can see how easily I can just move literally between the applications. I can overlap them again, so I can group similar activities by stacking them together, and equally I can just flick them off when I want to dismiss them. I'll wait to see if some emails come in. I'll show you the notification area, but we've really revamped the way that you handle multitasking and alerts and interruptions. They sort of scroll in along the top and then they collapse down to an icon. I can tap and triage email without even needing to be in the email application. But emails where we've made some really significant changes. We've split email into these sort of 3 panes. I can see all of my accounts. I can tap to open a specific folder, and then I can tap to open an email. Now, I may want to just scan that there, but equally we've got these little panel buttons here. I can put it into full screen mode. I can pinch and zoom with an email to read it more easily, and again then I can go back and see different accounts again. So really powerful email application. If I want to reply, again it opens up in a new card all of its own, so very easily you could imagine this being a great business tool during the day. I can work on multiple emails. See the keyboard pop up there, really usable keyboard, and not everybody's hands are the same size. I can actually choose the size that I want for my keyboard, so if I want a little small keyboard I can do that. If I prefer the larger one myself, equally I can do that as well. You can see how I just literally just type on the keyboard. And then I can flip that away. We've got a really rich, it's not just about business, it's great for, this is the new photo and video application. I've got all my albums that are indexed from the USB drive. Equally it mounts as a flash drive when you connect it to a PC. 16 or 32 gigabit storage options here. But
then if I have these two,
yeah,
I have to manage the two as independent devices. Well, meaning I have to move my pictures between here, well, and then also there or not?
No, you could upload to Facebook from here, and then this synchronizes with Facebook and PhotoBucket Snapfish here. Now I get a view of all of my apps. I can do a little sneak peek thumb strip view of my pictures. Tap to expand, I can view my pictures, beautiful big screen, 9.7 inch XGA, 1024 by 768. But we've really added some nice touches within this app. See this little menu that comes up? HP's all about printing. You can find and discover wireless and network printers. You can print to LaserJet, PhotoSmart, 20 million plus install base of printers. No need for drivers, I just find them.
Any HP printer or
not any, but
I feel like the iPad.
More recent ones, more compatibility than iPad. So I can print directly, but here's another great thing. Photos are becoming increasingly sort of conversational. They're part of our social networking sort of fabric now, and people like to add comments to photos. Well, here's Facebook comments integrated over the top of a photo, and again, you know, I can bring up the keyboard and I don't know, where is that, Dennis? I can just literally add a comment, post it back in over Facebook on top of the picture. So really deeply integrated synergy into the photo and video application as well. We've got a really rich messaging application. I told you these two will pair together. Whether it will actually demo now, I'm not sure. You can see how. Okay. So when that demo works fine, that will send that web page and it will open in a window here. But if you receive a call here, you can answer it here. If I get a text message here, I can actually reply to it and have it within the messaging app here. You can see how I integrate not just my instant messaging, but also text messaging as well into this application. We've got a really great gaming environment. Here's a 3D game called Armageddon. You see here how full 3D rendering. I'm not very good at this, but I was going to try and pause it, but I can put the game on pause, switch back, do other things, and then go back and try and correct that. We've got a really rich web browser as well. This is
video.
We support. We've got Flash video in the browser, so. If I bring up a web page, again, hopefully the connection is fairly fast. It's a full WebKit-based browser. It's got hardware acceleration. I mentioned the Flash integration. I can open multiple web browsers in multiple cards. So again, I can have lots of. We think it's as important as an application, basically. So you can have lots of them running. I'll try and show you if it loads quickly enough. I'll try and show you a Flash video maybe. So. system menu here in the top corner, so it's really easy to turn Wi-Fi on and off, turn the rotation log, mute the sound, all accessible directly from this view. See here it's trying to, the connection's a bit fluid, but it's coming from the UK, but you get in a, you can see here how, direct flash integration, nice smooth scrolling within the browser, flash video straight in from, I guess this is being captured on somebody's phone anyway, so it's not really particularly clear, but there we go. Really rich browsing. What else? We also have a Kindle. We've been working with Amazon on a Kindle application, and this will allow for Whisper Sync integration if you have a Kindle. You can see how you can, we've got full e-reader capability here. We'll scroll through, open the book, change the size, I can switch through. So we think it's a really rich, overall, really nice sort of multitasking, great tablet environment for business and for
And what about to use it in order to write? I mean, we have application. This is a capacitive.
It's a full capacitive screen. Yep.
That means there are applications where I can just go and write.
There will be. Yeah, I can't show you the notes application at the moment, but there will be that. I mean, obviously you could easily capture a draft email as well. So there'll be a whole range of applications. It's got the similar. It'll have the application catalog.
App Store from here?
I don't think I've got it to demo at the moment, so it's only certain things we're able to show. But we have full Quick Office, so not just viewing but also editing as well. That'll come with the device, with every TouchPad. It's got a full touchpad, touchstone charging